Hey guys, this is Miss Bradshaw. We are going to be talking about your assignment about compare and contrast chart. So, we're going to create a chart based off the reading that you've done for this lesson. This is an example of a lesson that will be read. So, you have a lesson reading. You read the lesson. Make sure you're looking at your bold print, your highlighted words, your heading, and your subtitles. So when you open your assignment, you'll see a chart just like this. So these two red words here say different. You will go back into your reading. You will choose two different things, and you will put them here where it says different and different. In the center, it says same. So you're going to pick out something between your two different columns that are the same. So you're going to find two things. Like I might say for my first column, I might put butterflies. Then on my column on the right side, I might put let's just say birds. Okay. So those are two completely different animals. In the center, I might say they both can fly. So that's a great example. I hope y'all are understanding how to do this. Choose something from the lesson reading and fill in this chart. All right, guys. See you soon.